we're actually bringing gas into these facilities right now, and next few days we'll be pressurising the gas pipeline to the Shah Deniz platform, so that's ongoing. It really is the hub for offshore production coming into Sangachal from the offshore oil and gas fields, and then it's the hub for the transportation systems that go to the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea.
The problem is our security of supply. I mean, is there any possibility of disruption? And when we mean disruption, we mean disruption in terms of physical disruption or in terms of prices.
What we have to do is to grow our relationships with many other countries, particularly those that are energy suppliers. That is, of course, Russia, but not only Russia, also Algeria, for instance, the Caucasian countries, and Central Asia. We think it is highly important that Russia remains an important supplier, but that we also diversify.
To secure, you have to invest. Investment in transmission, which is a key issue, because oil or gas, they have to go through pipeline or gas line in order to go to the end consumer. And so it costs much to do that. And investments are made by private company, but sometimes you need some incentive, to make the right investment at the right moment.
We see a benefit in the fact that European Union is a large neighbor, and Azerbaijan is already included into the European neighborhood policy following recent expansion of European Union, which means that it is a stable partner and stable market for us.
While on the one hand it is natural that each and every country wants to work also for its own national supplies, it is very important to maximize the coordination, because then, of course, we as European Union, we are a very potential customer, and thus, of course, would get important and good prices and a lot of transparency in the market, and this is what we should achieve.
For the moment, I say there is no common energy policy, but there is a common energy vision of the future. So we have to try to transform the vision into a politic. And I think that on that the Commission has a very important role, and they play very well their role.